another Epicflows Production.
Yo, this is Stickman attack, you know. And this is what not to do in an interview. Oh, when Stickman talk, no man what?
Hi, I'm Wally.
Welcome to the job office, Miss British. So I see here you have applied for a position at KFC. However, that post requires for you to do a math test.
So I do math test for count the amount of french fries them we go in my bag when I do a math test so I don't understand.
A math test should also be done for the social work position.
Come here do math test for count the amount of pampers them when I take off and all people in Batty and that should not get a jeep. And that me I do math test so come me no see sense.
Okay, I just checked and I think I see something else here that does not require a math test. So why do you need this job?
Find some sensible question and ask people, not to ask people for. What mean when I want to work for? I could have want to work for was on the money, the dinero, the cheddar, the butter, the mule, anything one want call. Anybody have money and I come and work. People don't come and work through they want money. We're going to send come and work for. Not to ask people foolishness.
I see. So why do you want to work with this company?
Then when I could have work with this company, I'm not want to work with no for no special reason. I see so now and I look cook there and then I come here and I look the hook. And I feel no more the reason I want to do here.
What are your special skills? What can you do for this company?
Wait there, when I come in I can do for your company, no food for your company, no dead not dead left give me. When I come in I can do can read madly, when I can do it enough for me company. Me no come in I can do more work and do, no tell me to do me 9 to 5 and get me little money for go and go feed me pit them or whatever me have to do it in your man near me out and drink you out and sport you out and clothes you out and boot you out. If I that more have to do it, one more than that, I'm not to ask people foolish this.
Your position is very clear. I see here you live in the Tivoli Gardens area.
You know one where people live in a bad area. They want me from poor and bad and grow up and poor. I don't forget how because people bad will live in them. I don't understand. I don't stop a foolishness and stop what I can intimidate and people afraid down when people come look up, man. No get to ask them together.
Well, thank you for coming out today, Miss British.
Alright.
When Stickman talks, no man walks.